Hello, welcome to the Optimum Forex. In this video, we are discuss about the technical analysis of the Euro USD, Pound USD, USD Yen, and Aussie USD. So let's begin. Our first pair is Euro USD. If you look at the Euro USD right now, after getting the surprising NFP data last week, the US dollar gained some momentum, and Euro USD broke the 1.0800 psychological number and moving towards the 1.07500 psychological number and 1.07117 psychological number. So if the risks of sentiment continue this week, the US dollar gains some momentum and break the 1.07117 psychological number and moving towards the 1.05000 psychological number. Before engage this trade, we need some pullback around 1.08500 psychological number. Then we see, if you see clear rejection candle, then we engage this trade, and our first target should be the 1.07117 psychological number, and second target should be the 1.0500 psychological number. So our second pair is Pound USD. If you look at the Pound USD right now, after the NFP data, US dollar gains some momentum. Pound USD break the 1.2110 psychological number. So if you look at the momentum right now, the Pound USD moving towards the 1.18550 psychological number. Before we engage this trade, we need some pullback around 1.220 psychological number. Then we engage this trade, and our first target should be the 1.200 psychological number. Then second target should be the 1.8500 psychological number. So our third pair is USD Yen. If you look at the USD Yen right now, it is very messy situation. After reaching the 128.00 psychological number, USD Yen bounced back and moving towards the 131.00 psychological number. If you look at the region right now, 131.500 region is the crucial region. In this region, if we see the rejection candle, then it's moving downwards against to the 129.600 psychological number. If the second scenario, if we see the USD Yen break the 131.500 psychological number, then it's moving towards the first 132.500 psychological number, then 133.00 psychological number. The third target should be the 134.00 psychological number. But this can be happened if the US dollar gains some momentum this week. So our last pair is Aussie USD. If you look at the Aussie USD right now, after the NFP data release, Aussie as well as lose some momentum and US dollar gains some momentum. That's why we see the big red candle right now, and it's also break the all psychological number like 0.700 psychological number and 0.69500 psychological number. Right now it's moving towards the 0.68600 psychological number and 0.68400 psychological number. After this momentum, we saw this downward momentum will continue this week if the risk of sentiment can continue. But we can't engage this trade right now. We need some pullback around this area, 0.70500 psychological number. Then if you see the clear rejection candle this area, then we engage this trade, and our first target should be the 0.69500 psychological number. Then second target should be the 0.68600 psychological number. So that's all. Thank you.